Hello po everyone, I'm Olive May and I will be playing the role of Megan Hilary sa Born to Shine. Nung nalaman ko po niya, kasama po ako sa show na to and as Megan, ayun nga po sinabi ko kanina na kinabahan ako, na-pressure ako kasi nga mabait naman akong tao in real life. And in contrast to Megan na ano siya, spoiled brat siya. So, na-pressure ako but at the same time na-excite ako kasi I'll be able to explore that kind of character na maldita naman. Na syempre, may matututunan ako as an actress and I'll be able to grow as a person din, not just an actress. So, ayun, and nung nalaman ko yung characters, nakasama ko si Zev. Na-excite din ako kasi magkasama na kami sa Maka before. So, yung bond namin dalawa, ando na siya eh. Like, we're really close friends na. And with other girls din, naka-work na rin kami before, nagkasama na rin kami. And we also had workshops. So, ayun, talagang they're amazing people. And na-excite ako at the same time na-pressure ako kasi this is a really big show. Kumbaga, parang sabi nga ng writers, it took 1 year for them na matapos tong na to eh, kasi it's very full of layers, ganyan. So, ayun, looking forward ako. So, ayan mga kapuso, abangan niyo po ang Born to Shine sa GMA Afternoon Prime.